Hello guys! In this video, join me explore a museum here in Medellin. Let's go! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will visit the Parque Explora here in Medellin. The Parque Explora is an interactive science museum. It houses various science exhibits like an aquarium, planetarium, and public experimental workshops where you and your children can have a good time while learning about science. To go to Parque Explora, we simply took the metro and got off at the Universidad metro station. And then from there, it is right beside the said metro, right beside the Jardín Botánico de Medellin. The first thing that we noticed in this museum is its various interactive exhibits outside. It has plenty of these interactive exhibits scattered all around its grounds, where adults and children alike can play around while learning about science. The first gallery that we visited here in Parque Explora is the Acuario or Aquarium. Acuario houses plenty of fishes, and marine animals from the region and other parts of the world. My favorite exhibit here is the Piranha Aquarium, where you can see real-life piranhas. But not just that, they also have in here big and small aquariums where you can see fishes from all shapes and sizes. They also show here how to properly conserve our marine ecosystem for the future generations. The next gallery that we saw here in Parque Explora was the Escena. Escena is a gallery dedicated to motion pictures. In here, you can see and play around with various devices used in filmmaking. You can even be part of a short movie if you want to. The last gallery that we visited here in Parque Explora is the Time exhibit. And as the name suggests, the Time exhibit showcases various interactive exhibits about time. So that ends our visit here at the Parque Explora of Medellin. Join me again on the next video as we visit another museum here in this beautiful Colombian city. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Ciao!